2026 Mazda CX-20 is a new compact SUV that replaces the CX-3 and introduces Mazda's latest design, technology, and hybrid powertrain options in a small crossover package. It is positioned to attract buyers who want a practical, fuel-efficient SUV with more space, updated technology, and the refined driving experience Mazda is known for. By focusing on electrified powertrains and improved interior comfort, the CX-20 aims to bring Mazda's compact SUV lineup into the modern era without losing the brand's characteristic handling and style. On the exterior, the CX-20 follows Mazda's Kodo design language, featuring smooth lines and a wide, confident stance. The front end is expected to have a slim LED headlight design and a broad grille, giving the vehicle a clean, modern look. Daytime running lights appear integrated into the front fascia, while the roofline slopes gently toward the rear, providing a slightly sporty profile. The rear design incorporates a wider light cluster and a compact tailgate, balancing style and practicality. The overall footprint remains small and urban-friendly, while design details suggest a more premium feel compared with the outgoing CX-3. Mazda is likely to offer several trims, with a base front-wheel drive model expected to start around the mid-$20,000 range. Higher trims will include all-wheel drive options and additional technology and comfort features, with prices expected to reach the low $30,000. This structure allows buyers to choose between a practical entry-level model or a better-equipped version with more advanced features. Early reports indicate that all trims will focus on efficiency, safety, and interior comfort rather than extreme performance. Powertrain options are expected to center on a 1.5 or 2.0-liter inline-4 engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. These setups should provide sufficient acceleration for everyday driving while improving fuel efficiency, particularly in city conditions. A plug-in hybrid variant may also be introduced in some markets, though details remain unconfirmed. Mazda's Skyactiv Drive automatic transmission is likely to handle gear shifts smoothly, maintaining predictable and efficient performance. Power output is not officially released, but the hybrid system should offer a balance of responsiveness and fuel savings rather than aggressive performance. The driving experience is expected to reflect Mazda's focus on refinement and control. The suspension and chassis are designed to minimize road vibrations and noise while maintaining composed handling. All-wheel drive versions should provide added traction in wet or slippery conditions without significantly affecting fuel economy. The CX-20's compact size and suspension tuning should make it easy to drive in urban environments while offering stable highway performance. Safety and driver assistance systems are expected to include lane keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and collision mitigation. Mazda has not released full specifications, but early reports suggest the vehicle will integrate modern sensor technology for reliable performance. The platform may support future software updates to improve these systems over time, maintaining safety standards as technology evolves. Inside, the CX-20 is expected to offer more space than the CX-3, particularly in the rear seats. Materials are likely to range from soft-touch plastics in base models to synthetic leather or upgraded upholstery in higher trims. A digital instrument cluster and an infotainment screen are expected, with screen sizes ranging from 10.5 inches to around 12 inches depending on trim level. Features should include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Mazda's updated voice control system. Center console and storage layouts appear optimized for practicality, providing usable space without cluttering the cabin. Cargo capacity is expected to improve over the CX-3, with a practical rear hatch opening and efficient interior packaging. While exact numbers are not available, the CX-20 should offer sufficient space for groceries, luggage, or small recreational gear, making it suitable for daily driving and weekend trips. The CX-20 is expected to compete with subcompact and small SUVs such as the Honda HR-V, Hyundai Kona, and Toyota Yaris Cross. Compared with these models, Mazda's strengths include refined handling, premium interior touches, and efficient hybrid powertrains. The CX-20's mild hybrid approach could be more practical than fully electric competitors, as it does not rely on frequent charging and offers consistent performance in varied driving conditions. Mazda is targeting urban commuters, small families, and individuals seeking a small SUV that combines fuel efficiency, comfort, and style with a refined driving experience. The vehicle is expected to be revealed within the next 12 to 18 months, with production likely starting in Thailand. Availability in the US is probable, though Mazda has not confirmed final details. The 2026 Mazda CX-20 is designed to bring hybrid efficiency, modern design, and improved interior space to the compact SUV segment. It offers a practical and stylish option for buyers who want a well-rounded small crossover with updated technology and refined handling. With these features, the CX-20 has the potential to become a competitive choice in its segment for 2026, appealing to buyers seeking an efficient, comfortable, and modern compact SUV.